golden skies are fading slow. Brisbane River starts to glow. Reflections dance on glass and stone. The city hums, but we're alone. You take my hand, the world stands still. South Bank lights begin to fill. The Ferris wheel turns soft and slow. Our hearts move where the breezes go. Underneath this amber light, you and I, we fade from sight. Bridges shining, dreams align. Brisbane at sunset, you are mine. Through the calm, the city sighs. Colors melt in your brown eyes. Every whisper feels divine. Brisbane at sunset, love in time. From Queen Street hum to Riverside, the evening glow our secret guide. High above the towers gleam, but you're the star of every scene. Your laughter echoes soft and wide. Across the ripples time subside. Tomorrow waits, but not tonight. This golden hour feels just right. Let the lights begin to rise, painting stories in the skies. If this moment could remain, I'd never need the sun again. Underneath this amber light, you and I, we fade from sight. Dreams and rivers intertwine. Brisbane at sunset, you are mine. And when the daylight softly dies, love will linger, never lie. Forever caught in warm twilight. Brisbane at sunset, you